Zimbabwe's public sector nurses have warned of imminent strike action unless the government responds to demands for increasing salaries with a target of at least $840 per month. Ashpere mushe mure Zimbabwe tinoona kuti mapublic sector nurses voti aiwa takuda kustrika zvedu nekuti maconditions atakurama munyika yeZimbabwe haasi kutiitira. Saka mina mashoko abuda chinyogwa panapa munhu unotobva subscribe woleka kuti now the bell icon. Tivina munhu muchinzi according to the Zimbabwe Nurses Association Zina, public sector nurses currently earn a combined of $400 in both ZIG and in US dollars. Negotiations over improved pay and working conditions have been ongoing for several years, leading to periodic strikes. However, the most significant deadlocks occurred about 2 years ago when other civil servants joined the push for a pay hike to $840. In an interview with the Zimbabwe Independent this week, Zina President Enoch Dongo said government must act swiftly to prevent a strike. We are currently running a series of stories exposing the poor service delivery gripping Zimbabwe's health delivery system. We are looking at $840 as a minimum that can motivate our people, Dongo said. Ndomasvika rubuda munhu auti unoti aiwa mapublic sector nurses ari kuti hatisi kugutsikana nemuhuri yatiri kuwana nemaconditions atiri kurarama. Vanenge vachiti tikuda kuti salary yedu ikwidziwe aiwa isvike ku$840, otherwise aiwa tinostrika. Tudze mafungiro enyu pene mucomment section medu, musangano subscribe like, chete on the bell icon.